In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work with Composer PHP packages in Visual Studio Code, what you need to get started, how to add a new package to your project, and a few more useful tools that help you build PHP applications faster. Composer is a dependency management tool for PHP. It allows you to quickly add libraries your project depends on, and it manages them for you, including automatically loading the necessary files at runtime. First, make sure you have the necessary setup. Open Visual Studio Code, navigate to the Extensions panel, and make sure you have the PHP Tools extension installed, or more specifically, the Composer extension by DevSense. The Composer extension is included as part of PHP Tools, but it can also be installed separately. Next, make sure PHP itself is installed and configured correctly. You can validate everything by opening any PHP file in Visual Studio Code and checking the Output panel on the PHP tab. Now let's get to work. Assuming you've already opened a folder containing your PHP project, let's add a package dependency using the require package command. Open the command palette with the F1 key, type require, choose require package, confirm, and search for any package you need, for example Twig. You'll see a list of matching packages along with their descriptions, download counts, and GitHub stars. Select the package and wait for the process to finish in the terminal panel. You'll notice that a file named composer.json in your project root is created or updated, along with the autoload.php file inside the vendor Composer folder. This autoload file is generated by Composer and is essential for Composer packages to work at runtime. Make sure this autoload.php file is included in your application, because once it is, you no longer need to manually include individual libraries. All installed packages are loaded automatically when needed. There are a few more useful features worth checking out. Open the composer.json file and notice that every installed package, in our case, the Twig package, has annotations showing the currently installed version. When you hover over the package name, you can see additional details about it. There are also quick actions available for updating or removing the package. If you're starting a brand new PHP project from scratch, you can also take advantage of the Composer create project command. Open an empty folder for your new project, open the command palette, and run Composer create project. At this point, you'll need to know which project template you want to use, for example Laravel/Laravel. Confirm the selection and watch the progress in the terminal panel. Let's take a quick look at the packages this new project uses. Open the composer.json file and notice all the annotations and package details available directly in the editor. Definitely check the Composer documentation for more information, because there are many advanced features and workflows you can take advantage of. Personally, my favorite feature is the autoloading mechanism. It means I no longer need to write manual include or require statements in my PHP code. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more advanced Composer scenarios, let us know in the comments.